the title of this slide really sums it up really, really well. Agents are getting built, but not used. About 70% of organizations are investing roughly $500,000 or more into their AI agent strategy. That's not an insignificant amount of money. But what we've seen is, and this is coming from Boston Consulting Group, they did a big research in 2024 around AI adoption. And what they're saying is nearly 75% of organizations are really not seeing the value, are not seeing the scalability from their AI agent strategy. So that really speaks to the level of gap between the investment and the adoption. So let's take a minute and kind of look at kind of why that's happening. And the first of all is I just want to say it's obviously not a silver bullet, right? There's not one thing that's blocking AI agent adoption. For a start, incomplete knowledge. From what we've seen is going back to, the mantra of data is key. For organizations, one of the most time-consuming challenges is being to empower agent with the right data. So having to build, custom ingestion pipelines, manually reprocessing data is really burning developer time and burning a lot of money in order to do that. And what's happening is because the agent doesn't have the right data, then there's a lot of limitations around it. There's a lot of missed opportunities from a user engagement perspective. And that's really hurting the underlying success of the agent. And, it also limits the value of conversations.